x squared times sine x. Now, one of the things you need to be able to do is to recognize the type of function. Now, this function is a product. Is this clear to everyone? See, we have two functions here. We have x squared and we have sine x. So in order to differentiate this, we need to use the product rule. Is this clear to everyone? X. So all we need to do, because the product rule, the formula for the product rule is differentiate the first, leave the second, then you add. When is the product rule? We add, right? So if I differentiated the first and I leave the second, this time I'm going to differentiate the second and leave the first. Right? So let's get our derivatives quickly. What's the derivative for x squared? When I differentiate x squared, what will we get?
2x, sir.
Wonderful, wonderful, 2x. When we differentiate sine x, what do we get?
Cos x.
Wonderful. Cos x. Great, so all we need to do now is just plug these into our formula. So I have the derivative of u, which is 2x, times v is sine x. We add that to v prime, which is the derivative of v, which is cos x. And that will be multiplied by u, which is x squared. So this is what we should have. When we work out this first part, we should get 2x sine x plus x squared cos x. Please, I'm begging you, right? Never do something like this. Multiply these two. This x here is not detached, so you can't multiply this x by x squared, right? You think of this x squared as a coefficient, and that's why I brought it in front. Is that clear with everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So be careful with that. So basically, this is our answer. We can factorize out x if we want, but it won't really make a big difference. So if I take out x, I'll be left with 2 sine x here. And if I take out x from here, I'll be left with x cos x. So this is 2 sine x, and this is x cos x. Right? So basically, this is our answer. So I factorize x from both of our terms, from this term and from this term. But if you bring it here, this is good. So you can take that down, and let's try probably 2 more.